Meaning of habitable.
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 Habitable. The term habitable refers to a place or environment that is suitable for human habitation or living. It implies that the location has the necessary conditions for humans to survive, such as breathable air, access to water and food, and appropriate temperature range. A habitable place should also be safe and healthy, free from environmental hazards and threats. For instance, a planet may be considered habitable if it has a stable climate, a protective atmosphere, and the presence of liquid water. In summary, a habitable environment provides the basic needs for human life and supports sustainable living.